In this video, you'll learn how to rotate a document in Docusign, whether a page was scanned sideways, upside down, or you just need to adjust the orientation for readability. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly fix it and move on with your work. First, you'll want to open your document in the editing view. After you've logged into your Docusign account and located the document you want to adjust, click to open it. Instead of just viewing it in a simple preview mode, make sure you're actually in the editing or preparation view. This is the mode where you can make changes to pages, add fields like signatures or dates, and adjust the layout. If you only see basic information and can't interact with the pages, look for an option such as Edit, Prepare, or similar wording, and select that to enter the full editing view. Once your document is open in editing mode, the next step is to select the page you want to rotate. Scroll through the document until you see the page that's in the wrong orientation. Many Docusign layouts will show thumbnails of each page along one side of the screen, or allow you to click directly on the main page to select it. Make sure the page you want is clearly highlighted or active. If more than one page needs rotation, you'll repeat this same process for each one, but start with a single page so you can see how it works. With the page selected, you're ready to rotate it. Look for a control or icon labeled Rotate. This might appear above the page, on a toolbar, or when you right-click, depending on how your interface is set up. Commonly, you'll see arrows indicating rotation to the left or right, usually in 90-degree increments. Click the Rotate option until the page is oriented correctly. For example, if the page is sideways, you'll likely need to rotate it once or twice to bring it upright. Take a moment to visually confirm that the text reads normally and that any important content isn't cut off or distorted. If you have additional pages that are misaligned, repeat the same process, select the next page and click Rotate until it looks correct. It's a good idea to scroll through the full document once more, page by page, to make sure every page is facing the right direction before you finalize anything. This quick review can save you from having to resend documents or ask someone to re-sign because the pages were difficult to read. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. After rotating the pages, look for a Save or Save and Close option. This step is crucial because if you navigate away or send the document without saving, your rotations may be lost and the recipient will still see the original incorrect orientation. Once you click Save, Docusign will apply those changes to the document and any recipients will see the pages exactly as you've adjusted them. That's all there is to it. By opening the document in editing view, selecting the affected page, rotating it as needed and saving your changes, you can quickly clean up any sideways or upside down pages in Docusign and ensure a much smoother experience for everyone who needs to review or sign the document.